Hi everybody, this is CR number 11, helper video number 4. It says Frozen Lake Resort will rent a snowmobile for a flat fee of $35 plus $12 per hour. So I'm going to underline those two pieces. Do not worry about this part, the prorated to the nearest 15 minutes. Do not worry about that part in this problem because I want to focus on writing and solving an equation. It says if Caitlin and her sister paid exactly $130 for 2 snowmobiles, how long did they have them? First thing we're going to do is write a let statement. Our let statement is usually found in the last sentence. So I'm going to say let X equal, and notice this last question. How long did they have them? So that must mean I'm looking for the number of hours because that will represent how long I actually have the snowmobiles for. Now there's one other little sneaky piece in this one, and it says I paid exactly $130 for 2 snowmobiles. Well, I'm going to need to figure out how much it cost per snowmobile. So my first step is to actually take that $130 and divide it by 2 because I want to see how much it costs for only one snowmobile. 2 goes into 13 6 times. That's a 12. Bring down the 1. 2 goes into 10 5 times. So it looks like I've spent a total of $65 per snowmobile. That's my total amount paid. So I'm going to put that $65 after the equal sign. Now it says I paid a flat fee of $35 plus $12 per hour. Well, if my X is equal to the number of hours, which one of these two numbers describes the number of hours? Is it the flat fee or is it the $12 per hour? Hopefully you're saying it's the $12 per hour because 12 describes my X by saying that for every number of hours I rent the snowmobile, I'm going to pay $12. For instance, if I rented it for 2 hours, I would take 12 and multiply it by the 2 hours to get a total of $24 that I would pay for those 2 hours. That's why I'm multiplying the unit rate of 12 times X, which is the number of hours. But I'm also paying a flat fee of $35, so I have to include that. Now I'm going to just go ahead and solve this two-step equation, which you've done over and over. I'm going to subtract 35 from both sides. I'm going to go ahead and subtract 5 minus 5. I get 0. 6 minus 3 is 3. These 0 out. So I'm left with 12x on this side. Now I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by 12. Well, you're probably saying to yourself, 12 doesn't go into 30 evenly, but that's okay. 12 goes into 32 times, which is 24. So how many do I have left over? 6. I keep the denominator of 12, and now I have to simplify it. 6 12s can simplify to 1/2. So it looks like I'm renting each snowmobile, bam, for a total of 2.5 hours. And here is my answer right here. Good luck.